Today's app chat showcases a way for small businesses to cash in on mobile commerce. Independent e-business consultant Francie Black is back with us. You found an app that really lets the businesses kind of free themselves up to be able to meet the customer's needs almost instantly.
Oh, exactly, yes. So there's a lot of great business apps out there, and small and medium-sized businesses should harness the power of the mobile devices. It really allows them to take the office with them.
Right. And that's a great cost saver.
It's a great time and cost saver, exactly. So what we're going to do, this particular app is called Zoho Invoice. Okay. And Zoho is the company name, and they have a whole suite of products. And we're going to focus in on this one for today. But you can go in and you can create invoices very quickly while you're on the road, while you're mobile. And I'm going to start off actually with an estimate, and then I'm going to convert it into an invoice. And you'll just see how quick and easy this is. So you could be on a customer site and say, hey, we're exploring our products, we're evaluating them, our services. And you can say, hey, I want to create an invoice for you, or not an invoice, but an estimate for you. And you can modify your reference numbers, salesperson, things like that. And you can add in your line items, and I'm going to throw something here, one of my products in here. And you can modify it to your quantities, whatever it is that you need. And then go ahead and save this estimate. So you have record of it, but of course you can send it right then and there.
That is fantastic.
So you can literally be on your customer site doing that, or talking to them on the phone, or be across the country. You don't have to be at your desk in your office doing this. So you got your mobile device with you, you can do it. Now, let's say you're 2 weeks later and the customer's decided to go forward with the purchase.
Sure.
Okay, so I can take that estimate and quickly, in 1 second, convert that to an invoice, make any adjustments I need for purchase order, salesperson, quantities, whatever it is, tax, shipping, and I can save that, and my invoice is done, and I can, of course I can print it and mail it to them, but I can also email it to them directly from my device, and it arrives in their inbox.
Wonderful.
So now, and also if you have electronic payments set up, so they get that in their inbox, they can click on that link, and they can pay it via PayPal or any other service, and you get quick, immediate payment. So it's really all about hassle-free invoicing.
Yeah.
Really make it quick, make it easy, easier on you as the business, and also on the customer as well. Now, you can also go in here and do things like track whether or not they've paid, you know, what the billing history is. You can also get full reports. You go into just some of those reports. You can get reports on sales by customer, sales by item, balances, and again, you have it with you where you are at all times, so it's really great.
And is this something that's available for iPhone and Android systems?
Absolutely, yes.
Wow.
Yeah, and the app is actually, this version is free.
Really?
Well, for up to 5 customers.
Okay.
And then as you grow and as your company gets larger, depending on the size of your organization, so for, I think it's either 300 or 500 customers, it's $15 a month.
That's
and
not
then
bad.
It's unlimited for $30 a month. So it's really great. And you can even do things like track your expenses for a customer. You can, if you're based on time, you can do your project and your timing on here, have those estimates, have those saved, and then immediately convert them into invoices, and you have your tracking. Again, it's like having your office with you everywhere you go.
And that is really, like you said, small businesses especially can't afford not to tap into what's at our fingertips.
That's exactly right. If small businesses aren't harnessing the power of mobile devices, I think they're missing out. So this is one example of great business apps to use when you're trying to grow your business.
And she's going to explain even more of this in detail when you send an email to Francie Black. You want to send it to iPadWisdom@gmail.com. Put subscribe in the subject line, and that'll get you set to receive Francie's e-newsletter. That's where she expands and talks even more detail about what she's uncovered for us here.